Hello again, Flowty users and followers. Welcome to Flowty.io, and we're going to talk about loans. Flowty.io is the only platform on the Flow blockchain to offer NFT-backed loans, a reliable way for borrowers to get liquidity without having to sell your NFT, and for lenders to generate passive income using their knowledge of the NFT market. So we'll break down the process from both sides of the peer-to-peer transaction, starting with listing a loan, then showcasing funding the loan, and finally reviewing the two possible outcomes of a loan, a repayment or a default, just a fancy word for a loan that is not repaid. We'll also look at risk, remedies, and expectations for NFT-backed loans. Once your NFT is in your non-Dapper wallet, head back to Flowty and you're ready to list your NFT for loan. Here's an overview of the process. Use our intuitive filter and sort options to find your NFT in your collection. On the listing screen pop-up, click the loan header and input your parameters, the amount you want to borrow, the amount you want to repay, and how long you'd like to repay the loan. You'll notice on the Marketplace preview card, which shows you how the loan listing will appear to prospective lenders, that the loan amount is higher than your inputted amount to borrow. Flowty charges a small fee for loan transactions, which is included as part of the amount a lender funds. You can find out more about the loan fee on our product docs at docs.flowty.io. In addition to the Flowty fee, a refundable creator royalty is held in a smart contract for the duration of the loan. At the end of the loan, there are two possible outcomes. If the borrower has repaid the loan, the royalty is returned to the lender. If the borrower has not repaid the loan, the royalty is sent to the creator. Before you can finalize your listing, you must agree that failure to repay the loan will result in the collateral, your NFT, being transferred to the lender. And there you have it. You've listed your NFT in Flowty's loan marketplace for lenders to view and, if they like the terms, to fund. From a lender perspective, the process is just as easy. In your filters, make sure other wallets and loan are selected. Remember, loans are only possible on non-Dapper wallets. To help your search, you can sort and/or filter by loan rate, APR, loan amount, duration, the third-party blended LTV. Only want to see loans with an APR over 15% and a duration of less than 90 days? You can do that. The LTV, which is shown on the asset card, refers to loan to value. In other words, the percent of the NFT's estimated value that the loan represents. Also on the asset card is the loan amount, which is the amount you will be transferring if you fund the loan, the duration of the loan, and the APR, which is the annualized interest rate on the loan. When you have found a loan listing that meets your criteria, simply click on the NFT and fund the loan. Similar to the royalty, the collateral NFT is held in a smart contract during the term of the loan. The NFT is not accessible to the lender, borrower, or, importantly, to Flowty during the loan term. The NFT is either returned to the borrower if and when the loan is repaid, or sent to the lender if the loan is not repaid on time. Here's the direct flow of funds during an NFT-backed loan transaction. We've made the process for NFT-backed loans easy at Flowty, but it's important to be aware of the possible risks, whether you're listing as a borrower or funding as a lender. Borrowers must remember, failure to repay the loan on time, whether because of insufficient funds, forgetfulness, or loss of access to your wallet, will result in the collateral NFT being sent to the lender. Flowty does require an email address for notification purposes, though we always encourage users to maintain their own records and reminders in case they do not receive our emails. To the extent possible, we will provide advance notice for any events affecting Flowty, including but not limited to issues with the Flow blockchain, Blocto, or the Flowty platform. We encourage borrowers to opt in for automatic repayment to reduce the likelihood of any impact from technical issues. You can read more about automatic repayment in our product docs. The only way to have your NFT returned is to repay the loan. Should there be an unexpected need to regain control of your NFT, repaying the loan early is the only way to reclaim your NFT. On the other side, lenders must remember there is always the possibility that the collateral NFT loses value during the loan term. Lenders should ensure that the interest rate and LTV adequately compensate for the risk taken by funding the loan. For more information on risks and Flowty overviews, visit docs.flowty.io. Want to list a loan but your NFT is in your Dapper wallet? No problem. On Flowty, find your NFT using our filters. On the asset pop-up, click View in Dapper Inventory. This will take you right to the NFT in your Dapper inventory. From there, just connect and send to your non-Dapper wallet. Once sent, reconnect to Flowty with your non-Dapper wallet, and the NFT will be waiting, ready to list. NFT-backed loans can be an easy way to get liquidity without having to sell your NFT or listing below a collection floor. Be sure to follow @Flowty_IO on Twitter and check out our loans information thread for more details and clarification. And reach out to a Flowty member on social media or in our Discord for more help. Hope to see you listing and lending on Flowty.io.